In the last video, we started formatting our budget spreadsheet. The end of the video went by pretty quickly, so I've made available the final version for you to use. Pause this video and make a copy of it. You can find it here. In this lesson, we will add a function to add up all our expenses. Functions let us do great things like find averages, statistics, or simply add up a list. But before we get started, I want to talk about one more aesthetic feature: borders. Click on cell C4 just below the word income. In this field, the user will type in their monthly income, but we want to make it super obvious that they should type something here. To do that, we are going to add a border. Go to your toolbar and select the button with the 4 squares. This is the borders icon. This selection allows you to control the outside border, inside border, all borders, or any particular side of a border. Since this is just one cell, I'll click on the outside borders button. Next, let's choose the border color to be a really dark green. The other option available here is to change the line from dotted to dashed or solid. I'm fine with just leaving it as a solid line. This looks much more obvious, but it would be even more so if we change the shading to white. Go ahead and do that. Okay, I think this document is fully formatted. Let's start adding some functions. The first function we will use is the sum function, and as the name implies, it just adds things up. The way to let Google Sheets know that we want to include a function in our cell is to type an equal sign followed by the function, and then open and close it with a parenthesis. In this case, we type the equal symbol, SUM. Notice as we're typing, Google pulls up some relevant functions for us. Next, to start our function, we open up a set of parentheses. That's the symbol you hit with Shift 9. Okay, now that we've opened our parenthesis, we need to tell it what cells we want to add up. So we're going to click from row 14 all the way down to row 27. To finish the formula, we type a close parenthesis. Look, our cell has now calculated the sum of all our expenses. If we change any expense on this list, the total automatically updates. This is what makes spreadsheets so powerful. In the next video, we will use this expense cell to calculate how much savings we'll have left at the end of the month. See you there.